One of the best Firestick tips to improve performance is to close down background running applications. This is something that I've been saying for a number of years, whether you have a Firestick, Fire TV Cube, or really any of the Amazon devices. I always recommend regularly check your background processes and ensure that you don't have too many things running. And the best application to do that was to use the original background apps and process list, which you can see over here. And you know it's the original one because when you do more info, the developer's name is Vishnu NK. So that's the original one. You can see there's more than 23,000 feedback. This is definitely the right application to use. Now, the reason why I say this is original, because unfortunately scammers, just like in all areas, they try to piggyback off other applications, maybe use similar names, maybe use similar logos to trick people into installing their version of the application. So maybe an inexperienced user has heard of this application, background apps and process list. They open up the App Store, they search for background apps and process list, they click on that. What do they see now? They see a 2025 version, no feedback, but it's there. They also see this Pro version. Now, typically when you see Pro, you think, oh, this is an advanced version. This is something that offers more. So let me click on that. And the first red flag is it cost $3.99, guys. I mean, this application has always been free. So this just looks like a cheap tactic trying to deceive people so they purchase this application because it has the exact same name as the original one, but they've added a Pro to the logo to try and make it look like it's something extra special. So definitely you don't need to install this. This is the original and the best one. It's absolutely free, works flawlessly on all of these devices. You can click on that. It'll do a quick scan of all the applications running in the background. You can see on my device, I have 35 applications open, which of course means that these applications are consuming memory, consuming valuable system resources, and it will eventually slow your device down, causing buffering and just other performance issues. So I do recommend using this application. You can select the option, either you want to close individual applications, but in most cases you can click on close multiple. You can then just highlight every application there, so all 35. They're now all selected. I can now select the option at the top which says close chosen apps. Let's click on that. This will now take you to the individual settings for each of these applications and give you the ability to force stop them. So let's click on that. I can now press back. Out of interest, if you've never used this application before, do leave me a comment below. Let me know how many applications you had running in the background and which device you were using. Let's do force stop. Let's press back. Force stop again. Rinse and repeat. I mean, this was one of the reasons why I created the original TDoctorUK app killer, because it would actually go and do this process for you in the background with one click in less than a few seconds. But unfortunately, Amazon put a stop to that because they blocked local ADB access. I mean, those applications are still available on the Android TV, Google TV platform. So if you do want to check them out, they are available there. Because this application is actually blocked for obvious reasons. I can back out of that. Let's leave that open. Let's leave the last few open. If I keep pressing back a few times, and back here now we can see we've closed down multiple applications and we only have 7 things left. 7 things because I actually quickly backed out of this just to demonstrate that it does work properly. It does properly force close those applications. And when those applications close down, it does then free up that system memory. So really just a great way to keep your device running at optimal speeds. Make sure these things are closed in the background. But more importantly, when you install these applications, when you're searching for that background apps and process list, make sure you get the correct version, which is the first one in the list here. And the other way to check it's the correct version is the one that's got the 23,864 reviews, whereas all these other clones, these copycat applications, have got no reviews or maybe just 1 review. And definitely do not install this Pro version, which costs $3.99 because it's just a money grab. So that's pretty much this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. Just a quick video to ensure that you guys don't spend money accidentally by purchasing these wrong applications. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.